Welcome, and in this series, we're going to be teaching you all about CapCut Mobile and how to get the most out of it just using your device. By the end, you're going to feel comfortable doing just about any type of video using just your smartphone, and I'm also going to show you some fun tips and tricks that I picked up over the last decade as working as a photographer and videographer in the travel industry. My name's Scott, and I'm an award-winning content creator, and I am Bobo from Bobo and Chi-Chi, and along with my wife, we've lived and created content for tourism boards, destinations, hotels, and architecture clients as well. And the main takeaway from all of that is over the last decade, I used almost every single software, almost all the equipment that you could possibly use, and I am just absolutely blown away with what you can do with your smartphone. So when we first started doing this, you couldn't do nearly any of this stuff with your iPhone. The camera quality just wasn't there, editing was clumsy and cumbersome, and now with CapCut, it's absolutely insane what you can do, and I'm so excited to share with you. If you are new to any editing, this is probably going to be the only software you're going to need. Even with its free version, it is by far one of the best editing apps, and the paid version is significantly less than any editing software that's out there on the market. All right, well, I'm excited to have you here. If you want to get in touch with me and you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Instagram, YouTube, or send me an email. All right, so let's dive in.